and welcome back to my channel, Bhadra's Cooking Journey. I'm back again from a short gap of 1 week. I was having my exams. So I was thinking what to make today, and I got an idea of making soup, and that also sweet corn chicken soup, which is liked by everyone. So it's like a chicken soup, and if you want the veg version you can avoid the egg and the chicken part and go by the rest of the procedure. So come on, let's start making our soup. So the ingredients are, first of all, we need 5 cups of chicken stock. To make chicken stock you will need 7 cups of water and 500 grams of chicken bone with half carrot and half inch of ginger. With half inch of ginger, you will need 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and 1 to 2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And then you will have to boil this for around half an hour, and then you will get around 5 cups of chicken stock. If you don't want 5 cups of chicken stock and you want veg stock, the recipe is in the description below, and if you don't have both of them you can use normal water, 5 cups of normal water. Now next, the ingredients are around 2 tablespoon of spring onion and 4 tablespoon of greens of spring onion, then 1 tin of cream style sweet corn, which is store bought. If you don't have the store bought, you can want the recipe, and it is in the description below. 200 grams of chicken which is boiled and shredded, 1 egg which is lightly beaten, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, and then you have 1 to 2 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and then half teaspoon of sugar, and then around half tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 2 to 3 tablespoon of corn flour. So now let's get started and heat some oil. I am using 3 tablespoons of refined oil. You can use olive oil also. Now into this we will be adding 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and garlic. And then saute it for a minute. Don't burn the garlic. When a nice aroma comes, we will add 2 tablespoons of spring onion white. Saute that also for a minute. Okay, now into this we will add our 200 grams of shredded chicken. Now saute this also for a minute. Okay, now after sauteing this we will add 1 tin of cream style sweet corn. Now saute the sweet corn also for a minute. Okay. Now after sauteing this for a minute, we will add 5 cups of chicken stock or water or veg stock, whatever you are using, and then we will let it boil. Okay, mix it. Mix it nicely and then let the mixture boil nicely. In the meantime, I have made the corn flour slurry out of 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 4 tablespoons of normal water and mixed it nicely. Okay. If you don't want a lot of thickness, you can reduce the amount of corn flour to 1 tablespoon. Okay. Now the corn flour will be added to the soup afterwards to thicken the soup a little bit. Okay. Sweet corn soup is very popular among the restaurants after the tomato soup. It's liked by everyone because it has a little sweetness in it, and when you have it piping hot, it's amazing. It's very tasty. Okay, so I really love this soup very much after mushroom soup. Okay, the soup is a complete meal itself, as does the chicken, sweet corn and all, and it's very filling. The soup is very filling, it's very tasty, and it has all of it. So my sweet corn has started to boil, and we will reduce the flame into low flame and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. You can make the sweet corn veg version also with by opting the egg and the chicken and following the same procedure. And instead of using the chicken, you can use small vegetables like carrot, beans, celery, and doing the other procedures. Okay. So now we will add around 1 to 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, and half teaspoon of sugar. You should check the salt before adding because I've already added salt in the stock. If you have white pepper powder, good, you can use it. As I didn't have white pepper, I used black pepper powder. Now we will again let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes in low flame. Now we will add our corn flour slurry mixture. Okay. So now let's add our corn flour slurry and stir it continuously on medium flame until the soup thickens. Okay. We will stir it. Let the soup get thick. Okay. Not high flame, on medium flame. You should keep stirring. Okay, see? Now we will add 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Okay. And again stir till the soup becomes thick. Okay. So my soup is thick. If you want more thickness, you can add 1 more tablespoon of corn flour slurry. But 4 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of corn flour is enough for the soup. Now I will add egg. Now you should add the egg slowly, okay, from the top, and then mix the soup only in one direction. So from one hand you should pour the egg, and one hand mix the egg from one direction only. Okay, so let's add. Okay, so I'm now gonna mix it a little and add it slowly. See, look, our egg, it has become like strands. Okay, if you add the egg very fast and mix it in, not in one direction, we will, the egg will cook and become like a omelette. Okay, so you should add slowly and mix in one direction only. Okay, for 1 second, and then okay, so after adding egg, we will only cook it for a second and then our soup is ready. Okay, look, it looks really tasty. I really love the egg, the egg. Okay, so now let's serve it in a nice serving bowl. So I've served it in a nice serving bowl, and I will garnish a little bit of greens of spring onion on it. Okay, and we will add our black pepper powder a little and sprinkle it over. I have made a vinegar condiment out of 3 chopped green chilies and around 2 to 3 teaspoons of vinegar and some sugar, little bit of sugar, and mix it nicely. So I will pour a little of it on top of the soup. Okay, so nice flavor comes. Okay, and then our soup is ready. So do try this. Okay, it's very simple. Like and subscribe, and do encourage me. And the ingredients are in the description box below. So do encourage me by subscribing and comment. If you want any recipe, you can comment it, and if you want, if you just comment how it is, how tasty, if you have made it, and like it and share among your friends also. So do like, subscribe and share my channel. Till then, bye.